One of the things I'm going to be talking about right now is something that I just wanted to do as a sort of a personal goal, you might say. One of the things that I've done is I weighed myself 2 days ago, and from what I recall, I'm using an analog scale, one of the old-fashioned kind, and I weighed a 212. I don't know what the ideal weight for my height is, but I just wanted to reduce some of my weight. One of the things that I've done is, instead of having 2-3 meals a day, I usually in the morning I will eat some strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, red raspberries, or banana or something like that, usually some sort of a fruit. And so I decided that if I'm going to lose weight, that I would eat 1 meal a day, and it doesn't have to be a really big one, but I think I'm going to, and one of the things that I've heard from people is that you should make a permanent lifestyle change. So I'm thinking about that, but so far I weighed myself today and it was 208 when I got up this morning. I've since had a meal today, and I'll give you a typical example of what I usually don't eat. What I usually don't eat is the average meal that an American eats. But my meal today was a pork chop, and I had a video on that a few days ago, or was it yesterday? And so I had a pork chop, I had a baked potato, and that was all. It was a fairly big baked potato. They have a separate bin at Walmart. It says russet potatoes, and they're usually the big ones that you would have for a baked potato. So I had that, and also today I had some red raspberries this morning. So that's all I'm going to eat today. And then I decided that when I get a craving to eat something, because I had been before this, before 2 days ago, I had been eating 2 and 3 meals a day. And they weren't always healthy snacks either. So I decided to stop that. So we'll see how it goes. And instead of eating, I decided I'd drink a lot of water and liquid, such as orange juice or some sort of juice. Yeah, and once in a while I'll have a dessert. There's a very nice ice cream shop, a couple of them that have opened up because of the springtime, and I haven't visited those as much. So you can have something good to eat, you know, a snack or something like that, but I just don't want to overdo it. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll let you know how it's going. Well, I pulled all these rocks out from the perimeter of my barn, so I'm going to take these up and get rid of them. I'm making a fixture to hold this copper pipe, and I've already bored a hole through this piece, and then I split it in half right here. So now I'm just making it so it fits my vise. I can see I'm going to have to cut some off of this one here.